Hello, my name is Asad Jaffrey. I'm Distribution Account Manager for global security vendor Acronis. I manage distribution across ANZ. Acronis offers a natively integrated backup and cybersecurity platform for service providers. Our single agent architecture makes it easy to provision, manage, and build customers for backup, disaster recovery, as well as cybersecurity services. This includes email, security, EDR, XDR, and MDR endpoint protection, remote patch management, and much more. Moreover, we have easy integration with more than 80 RMM tools and third-party services. Acronis offers backup, disaster recovery, cybersecurity, as well as endpoint management in one integrated solution. Instead of using multiple backup and cybersecurity solutions, MSPs are able to manage workloads from an easy-to-use cloud console, which also comes with comprehensive reporting. Our AI-powered technology significantly increases efficiency and reduces the number of staff needed to manage customer workloads. When it comes to reducing risk, Acronis reduces risks by combining AI-driven defense mechanisms, robust data protection, cybersecurity, and remote management. Acronis provides AI-powered cybersecurity protection, able to detect even the newest cyber threats. Acronis also offers a way to ensure integrity of the protected data. We've got 40+ cloud data centers covering many countries. Australia and New Zealand are one of those. In addition, Acronis Threat Research Unit continuously studies new cyber attacks, and we use it to improve our solutions. More and more Australian and New Zealand MSPs choose Acronis for cybersecurity. We have got multiple case studies available in the resource center on acronis.com, including MSPs blocking more than 89,000 threats in 1 month. 70% reduction in backup management overhead. Globally, more than 40 major sports teams are using Acronis to protect their workloads. We've got a number of complementary vendors with Pax8. We've got about more than 80+ RMM integrations, like I mentioned before, and we work pretty much with most of the public cloud service providers. For more information, visit acronis.com. You can find case studies over there. We've got a pricing calculator. You've got all the sales resources. Feel free to reach out at the Pax8 AMs. And yeah, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is asad.jaffrey@acronis.com. Thank you.